What's up, everybody? I'm going to take you through some quick steak preparation using a grill, and I'll show you 3 different meals that I made from the same batch of steak. Now again, we're going to do some batch cooking. You're just going to reheat and add to your meals throughout the week. All you need to do is just cut it up, add a little more seasoning, reheat, and just add some veggies and carbs. So here is the meat thawing out from frozen. I like to get some leaner cuts of meat. We're looking at moderate fat meat, so 5 to 10 grams per serving. This is some top sirloin and tri-tip. Just preheat the grill, add the seasoned meat on there, cover it up. I like to go around 6 to 10 minutes per side, depending on the thickness. And I try to aim to undercook, mainly because I like to reheat it throughout the week, so it just doesn't make it that dry. When you take it off the grill, just cover it and let it sit for like about 10 minutes. That meat's still cooking there, so you can reseason if you like. Just cover it up, let it sit for a little bit, and then you got yourself a meal out of it. So this is a top sirloin and tri-tip with some air-fried tortilla chips, and then here I reheated it with some corn, pasta, spinach, and marinara sauce. And then another meal I reheated with some peach salsa, pasta, cauliflower rice, spinach, and shrimp. Give it a try and enjoy.